Truman Talks Law on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Karl Truman Law Office.
Our friend Karl Truman isn't just an attorney, a veteran, or a marathon runner. He's also an author. His book, 7 Fatal Mistakes That Could Wreck Your Auto Case, was written to warn drivers of some of the pitfalls that could get in the way of pursuing a personal injury claim. Karl says the book will not only help you learn the important things you should do after you're in an accident, but also the things you should not do. And you debunked some myths in this thing, too. Good to see you, as always.
Thank you.
Let's start with things you should do when you were in an automobile accident.
Well, some of the things, again, the purpose of the book, in which I've written several books now, one on auto accidents, one on VA disability claims, and one on Social Security disability claims. So what I'm here today to talk about is the 7 mistakes that could wreck your automobile claim. So what I want to talk about with the book is to try to help the public, and hopefully people will get the book before they're in an accident. Everybody wants to think, well, I don't need this, I don't have to worry about this, but it's good general information, you know, to protect you and your family. Or if you are in an accident, you know, getting the book right away to have some tips about what to do in the very early stages of your case, not to wait until it's too late.
You know what everybody has is one of these. Most everybody has something. Does this come in handy, this device, for recording?
Sure. One of the things that we talk about, or that I've mentioned in the book, is, you know, documenting things, because again, so often things can change. The accident scene can change. Stories can change later on. Cars get repaired, so when there's a question about what the damage is, to easily take some photos real quick, because everybody has a camera on their phone these days.
All right, let's talk about some of these mistakes, these 7 fatal mistakes.
Well, the best way to learn about all the mistakes is just order a free copy of the book, and you'll see all of them. But some of the mistakes that people make is not getting the right medical care, not getting prompt medical care, you know, talking to the insurance company too easily, signing documentation. So there's a lot of tips that I talk about in order to really be prepared when that time comes.
You offer a client guarantee. What does that mean?
Well, no lawyer can guarantee the result of any case. No lawyer can guarantee an outcome or a result. But my commitment to my clients, and I've actually created my own a little certificate for my clients to show my promise and my guarantee to the clients, that if a client hires me, and this gives a little peace of mind and assurance to know that they're making the right decision. When my client hires me, in the first 30 days, if my client decides that, well, they don't think they made the right decision, they want to take another course of action, then they have the absolute right to simply tell me that they want their client file and they don't owe me a thing for any attorney's fee. So within the first 30 days, just tell me, and there's no charge of any fee.
You also make note in your book, we don't want to interfere with any legal relationship you might have now, because obviously people know lawyers, so you are careful about making sure that you're not tramping on somebody else's area.
Exactly, yeah. Someone already has an attorney and they want the book. Certainly they're welcome to have the book and to have questions that they might want to ask with their attorney, but it's not in any way trying to pull people away from their existing relationships.
It's still great, useful information. Hopefully you don't ever need it, but it's smart to have in advance.
Absolutely. And also in the book we talk about my client Bill of Rights, the things that I think clients should be expecting from their attorney in any time they hire an attorney, and that's spelled out in the book.
Very good. All right, Karl, great to see you again, as always. And here's how we do it. You can reach Karl Truman Law Office online at trumanlaw.com. Call 502 and then all twos, 222-2222. That's how you get a copy of this book, 7 Fatal Mistakes That Can Wreck Your Auto Case and How to Avoid Making Them. Call that number, all twos. Thanks, Karl Truman.
Thank you.